And if you want to choose to be more powerful and get less upset, eliminating expectations slowly is one way to access it. How many of you drive to work? Just get the hands up again, just want to make sure. Okay. How many of you drive to work and you're surprised that there's school buses in the morning? And you leave, if it takes you a half hour to go to work, you leave how much time before to go to work? A half hour. And then there's construction, there's traffic, there's a school bus, and then, oh, how dare there be kids, education, how dare they try to fix the roads? How many of you have ever considered, here I'm going to say something that's going to blow your mind. Try on, you could leave 15 minutes early. Thank you. Did you guys hear that bell? That was like, ding! Good looking out. Okay. Try on that if you woke up 15 minutes early and got to places 15 minutes early for the rest of your life, you'll never be late again, you won't be upset, and then you can pull up to some place and actually do some breathing. Have you guys ever done that? Have you done breathing before? When was the last time you took a breath for yourself? Let's do some cold breathing. In the Yogarati program that I do, we do 4 different types of breathing. Let's do some cold breathing. Take your tongue, put it behind the back of your bottom teeth, like this. So you take your tongue is this thing in here, and put it behind the back of your bottom teeth, just like that, okay? So if you know you're doing it right, we're going to practice, we're going to do the Princess Bride test, okay? So everybody say, Wav. Say, true Wav. It's a magical experience. Everyone say, marriage. Okay, good, so you got it down good. Okay, so now, take your tongue, put it behind the back of your bottom teeth, and I want you to breathe in with your mouth. So breathe in. And breathe out. And breathe in with your mouth. And breathe out. What do you feel? Like a cooling sensation? What did somebody say? No, if you're funnier than me, you got to shout it out. What do you feel? Lightheaded? Okay, cool. Yeah, first one's free. No, oxygen's good. There's a guy, anybody ever hear of a guy, Wim Hof, the Iceman? He climbs Mount Everest in his shorts, and he does a lot of different types of breathing, and the Wim Hof technique is breathing in deeply, so it oxygenates your mind, and it oxygenates your body, and it makes it more alkaline, so you can actually heal yourself. So what you do is you breathe in quickly, and then you breathe out regularly. So you go like this. Try it. Breathe in as deep as you can, and then breathe out regularly with your mouth. Try it. Sorry. And then all of a sudden, you'll feel lightheaded and it actually oxygenates you.